Hi friends, this is Coco from Landpack. Today I will introduce a machine to you. That is our LG420, and this machine it can be used to pack like this, and fastener, and rivet, and the spanners, and it can kill the date. This machine is composed of Landpack, workstage, and vibration bowl. Now, I will introduce it to you one by one. Okay, let me show this part. And this part, and this is our vibration bowl, and it with a coverage with a soundproof sponge. And it can stop to some noise when the machine is working. Okay, let's move to the next part. And this part is our workstation. And we designed 4 stations to her, and if the work didn't or no forget to put the material into it, and the light will light up brightly. And we can say we use our long belt to connect our Landpack and our hardware and fall down and make bag and ceiling. Our product will be transferred to her, and it will be through to this weight wheel, and the packed product will be passed to it. And we will try this. And you can say, and this part, this is unqualified product. It will be kicked out by this part. That's all about our machine. If you are interested in it, please contact us, and we can customize for you. See you next time.